Okay guys, so it's been a very crazy day. Markets are really trading very different. Morning was incredibly, market was going up and down with no meaning. Okay, so we see a visual imbalance here. We see 1700 contracts. We see the tape moving to the upside. Maybe we can catch a little pullback here. See that time and sales in the Nasdaq is
Long
trying to
signal
pull up.
and Q.
Okay, we see the tape moving. We see big buyers in the tape. Okay, we see 324. Okay, let's see, guys. If this is, we see 132.
Long signal ES.
Okay, almost there, guys. Okay, free trade now. See the tape moving to the upside.
Brick setup.
Long signal and Q.
There goes the Nasdaq. See if the ES can cut up. The tape is really moving, guys. Nasdaq is still pushing up a little bit. Come on, ES. See buyers in the tape. Market is puking, guys. Nasdaq still holding to the high. Lots of buyers, but the price is not moving. See if we can catch the next target. There we go, buyers in the tape. See correlation, that's up in the Nasdaq. There we go, second target. Okay guys, I'm gonna exit here. Okay, pretty good trade. Well, in the morning we did very much good trades. Well, in the afternoon we've been crawling. As you can see the trades here.
Long signal
Very
ES.
short scalps. Okay, until right we did this one that was very huge. As you can see, we cut very small trades here, just scalping the market because it was too slow. But right now I see this reversal. As you can see, we see 1700 contracts from the visual imbalance. So this is what you need to check, guys. You know, this is you see a congestion box, and well, the market is stopping, is congesting, is doing you know, is trading in the same area. Okay, you can see I could have hold the trade, but
Long signal and
there's
Q.
there's no shoulda, coulda, woulda here, guys. You know, just take what the market gives you. Okay, don't gamble. Don't think that you're gonna make the big target, because the market is very whippy today. So as you can see, the Bidaskmultimarket correlation gave very good entries, guys. You see when you hit the ATR here, market stopped. Okay, you see this is this congestion here. Okay, so what do you say? The market is not you know, it's not determined to go up. So what does the market do? It goes down. So that's what you need to check all the time, guys. All the time. It's always the same thing, doing it over and over again. Let's see with this trade what's going to happen. Okay, there we go. We got 2 contracts out. Okay, we exit this trade. That's it. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. This is clean trading, guys. Clean trading. Just wait for the boxes. If we are below the ATRs, trade only short. Okay, right now this was a great opportunity, as you can see over here too. This over here. You see the visual imbalances here. Okay, we see 1600 contracts to the upside. You could have made a good scalp if you're a scalper. I don't recommend you, if you're a new trader, don't do this, because this is, you need to have very good vision with the tape and everything. This is only for advanced traders. Okay, guys, so that's
Brick
it for
setup.
today. Thanks for watching.